Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use voice conversation on ChatGPT. So let's go started. We're going to open our ChatGPT. Open your ChatGPT, and this is it. Sorry guys, now this is our ChatGPT now. So this is it. Oh, let me show my tab. Now this icon here is what we're going to use to record your voice, to use a voice conversation with ChatGPT, on which you can use to ask questions. So let's get started. I'm going to click on it now. It is connecting. Let's wait. So that's how it's used. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Oh, sorry guys, and you can see everything I asked was also typed in here. So guys, it's also amazing. Please click on the subscription, it helps a lot. Thank you guys.